Good morning, students. Once again, I welcome all of you here in this video class. And actually, this is the crash course. And today we will go to read chapter electricity. Okay, that is the first chapter of physics. And in this crash course, I hope that you will be beneficial from my class, definitely, and I hope that you will get good marks in the examination. Actually, at a quick glance, firstly, let see the first topic of this chapter, that is the charge. Okay, so actually know that what is charge. Suppose that charge, let that this is the point charge. It is known as the point charge. So definitely around it a type of force will be influenced. A type of force that is influenced by this body, that is known as the charge. Okay, yani what is charge, students? It is the physical quantity, of a body that influences a force. Understood? In a very shortcut, I am telling you that what is a charge. Actually, it is a physical quantity of a body that influences a force on other bodies. Okay, so actually on electron, you know, on one electron the charge is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, and then in one proton the charge is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Since both the charges of electron and proton both are equal, that's why any substance or atom is neutral. And many other properties you have read about the charge, that it is denoted with the letter Q, and here Q is Ne, number of electrons, that can be easily found. As suppose that on one electron, if the amount of charge is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, then on 2 electrons, just multiply with 2, you will get the amount of charge. So on n electrons, simply you will again multiply with n to the charge present on 1 electron, you can get the amount of charge. And its SI unit is coulomb, denoted by C. Okay, students? So that's clear about the charge. What is charge? It is the physical quantity of a body that influences a force on other bodies. Okay. Charge is of two types, positive charge and negative charge. Positive charge is due to proton and negative charge is due to electron. Both the charges are of equal magnitude, hence an atom is neutral, and charge is expressed as the formula Q equal Ne, n where number of electrons is and its SI unit is coulomb. Okay, and so many simple properties of charges are also there, that the opposite charges attract each other while the similar charges repel each other. Okay, charge has been divided into two parts, or not two parts, actually it is expressed in two forms. Charge that is in the rest is known as static electricity. So many times you have seen when two objects are rubbed together, both of them get oppositely charged. But they are known as static electricity. It is known as static electricity as it is in the rest. But the main thing of this chapter is related with the current electricity. Okay, current electricity means flow of charge in a closed circuit where current electricity is the flow of charge, while static electricity where charge is in the rest. Okay, so current electricity is divided into two parts, electric current and then after electric potential. So first of all, let's see what is electric current. What is electric current? Actually, electric current is the rate of flow of charge. Rate of flow of charge through a cross section of conductor. Section of a conductor. Actually, explained way I have given in my previous videos. So here only I am telling you the topics. So electric current, rate of flow of charge through a cross section of conductor is known as the electric current. So suppose that this is the conductor. So electrons are present there. So let Q charge flows through this conductor in per unit time, then electric current is denoted as Q by T. Q by T. See, so SI unit of electric current is ampere. So ampere per ampere will be equal of 1 coulomb per 1 second. Simply 1 second. So if anybody asks you define 1 ampere of electric current, then your answer should be electric current is said to be 1 ampere if 1 coulomb of charge passes through a cross section of conductor in 1 second. Then it will be said that 1 ampere current has been passed through that conductor. Okay, simply the SI unit of current is ampere, and basic thing is that what is electric current? Rate of flow of charge. Rate, remember, it's another definition may be the amount of charge passing through a conductor in per unit time. So that per unit time, when it is connected with that, simply it is known as the rate. So that's why here it is rate of the flow of charge through a cross section of conductor is termed as the electric current. So electric current is equal of Q by T. So what is 1 ampere of current? Electric current is said to be 1 ampere if 1 coulomb of charge passes through a cross section of conductor in 1 second. Okay students. And second, that is electric potential. See, suppose that this is positively charged magnetic field or electric field, you can say simply, and here is also 1 unit positive charge. 1 unit positive charge. To bring that charge in that point, definitely you have to do some work, and that amount of work in moving 1 unit positive charge from infinity to that point in a electric field is known as the electric potential. Actually in chemistry also you have read that potential energy, the energy that is due to the position, due to the shape, due to the height, all this type of energy that is stored in a body is known as the potential energy. So simply here also, what is electric potential? The work which is done in moving 1 unit, remember students, 1 unit positive charge from infinity to a point. Infinity to a point is known as the electric potential. So actually electric potential is denoted with volt. So volt equal W by Q. W by Q, work by charge. So 1 volt is equal 1 joule per 1 coulomb. So define 1 volt of electric potential. That has already came in the examination, that what is 1 volt potential difference. So 1 volt means potential difference or electric potential is said to be 1 volt if 1 joule of work is done in moving 1 coulomb of charge. So actually it is measured by voltmeter and it is always connected in a parallel, remember, in a parallel to a circuit. So it is voltmeter by which we simply measure the voltage. Okay students, so if in a circuit, if we use a cell having the potential difference 1.5 volt, so what does this mean? It means that 1.5 joule of work is done in moving 1 coulomb of charge from these given 2 points. So that's why it will be said 1.5 volt. Actually in an electric circuit, potential difference is produced by using a cell or using a battery. Battery is the device that produces potential difference across the ends of the wire. Okay students, so here electric current you have read, electric potential I have given you very short description, but these two are related by, see, these two are related by Ohm's law. Okay, electric current and electric potential is related by Ohm's law, and George Simon Ohm in 1827 only he gave the famous relation of electric current to the electric potential, and that was known as Ohm's law. Actually remember, according to this arrangement, see, according to this arrangement, this is the potential difference, means battery, there it is, this is voltmeter, this is ammeter. So through this ammeter the reading of I is taken, and through this voltmeter the potential difference is measured. So according to Ohm's law, what do we find, students? V directly proportional to I. V is directly proportional to I, means what is Ohm's law? Statement is, according to Ohm's law, the electric current passing through a circuit is directly proportional to the potential difference. If potential difference will be increased, the amount of current will be increased in the same way. If it is decreased, then it will be also decreased. Okay students, this is the relation that was given by Ohm's law. So V is directly proportional to I, so V equal IR, where R is the constant of proportionality. Actually you have read that. So R equal V upon I. So this R is known as resistance. Okay, and its SI unit is omega. So that in the next video I will explain all those things. So here in a very short way I have given you a quick recap of the chapter electricity, in which I have given all the basic differences there and basic definitions which you have to read. Okay students, thank you. In the next video I will explain about the resistance and what are the factors, resistivity, and then after the combination of resistors. Okay, thank you.